How to replace a Human Touch Novo XT Pro SE Backrest air pump. You will need a magnetized Phillips head screwdriver, a wire cutter, and zip ties. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 3 screws that secure the rear shroud. Pull the rear shroud toward you to detach it, then turn it clockwise and rest it on the floor. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 3 screws that secure the PCB cover. The 2 PCB cover corners facing the front of the chair are secured by a barbed tab. Push each corner of the cover toward the front of the chair to clear the tab lip, then pull firmly up on the cover to detach it. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 6 screws that secure the back cover, then remove the cover. Cut the 2 zip ties that secure the air pump cable to the other cables near the forward-facing edge of the main PCB. Remove the red connector lock from the black air pump cable connector by pulling outward on the tab and then upward. Disconnect the connector. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 4 screws that secure the hip air valve bank. Lift the hip air valve bank, then free the air pump cable from beneath it. Cut the zip tie that secures the air pump cable next to the hip air valve bank. Pull firmly on the air pump hose to disconnect it. Using a magnetized Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 4 screws that secure the air pump to the chair. Remove the air pump. Now, let's replace it. Place the new air pump into position with the hose fitting facing the rear of the chair, then replace and partially tighten the first 3 screws. Replace and fully tighten the 4th screw, then finish tightening the remaining screws. Connect the air hose to the air pump, making sure the hose is installed all the way onto the fitting. Install the red connector lock onto the air pump cable connector, then connect the connector to the main PCB. Route the air pump cable from the main PCB down the center of the posts that hold the hip air valve bank. Replace the zip tie to secure the cables next to the right side of the hip air valve bank, then cut the excess zip tie. Place the hip air valve bank into position, then replace the 4 screws to secure it. It is helpful to partially tighten the first screw, fully tighten the second screw, then finish tightening the first screw. Replace the 2 zip ties to secure the air pump cable to the other cables near the forward-facing edge of the main PCB. Cut the excess zip ties. Slide the long back cover tabs into the corresponding slots on the chair. Raise the back cover, then replace and partially tighten the upper 4 screws. Replace and fully tighten the 2 lower screws, then finish tightening the upper 4 screws. Note the 2 slots on the rear shroud. Note the 2 tabs on the PCB tray. Lower the PCB cover slots over the PCB tray tabs, then use your fingers to confirm that the tabs are installed in the slots. Replace the 3 screws to secure the PCB cover. Note the slots on each side of the chair. Place the rear shroud into position, with the edges installed in the slots. Make sure the edges are installed in the slots, adjusting them if necessary. Replace the 3 screws to secure the shroud. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.